Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make old-fashioned hard candy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup of light corn syrup, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Also, prepare your workspace by greasing a baking sheet and having a reliable candy thermometer ready. Don't forget your favorite flavor extract and food coloring to personalize your treats. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the mixture to boil steadily until your candy thermometer registers exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for achieving that perfect hard candy texture. Once your syrup hits 300 degrees, immediately remove it from the heat. Let it rest for just a couple of minutes to cool slightly. This is the perfect moment to carefully stir in your chosen flavor extract, perhaps 1 teaspoon, and a few drops of food coloring. Work quickly but cautiously, then pour the hot, flavored candy mixture onto your prepared greased baking sheet or into candy molds. Now for the final steps. Let your poured candy cool completely at room temperature. This usually takes at least 30 minutes or until it's completely firm and brittle. Once hardened, you can easily break the large sheet into smaller, irregular pieces. For a professional touch and to prevent sticking, dust your beautiful hard candy with a light coating of powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.